Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 4 Turbo, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case 57 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. So in order to check some further details, simply tap on this graph inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time, in particular the days of the week, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the exact time I've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, phone, and Google, whatever, just tap on it and again you've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this specific app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.